Hey Linda, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for talking with me this morning. I'm just going to show you this quick little video to show you how you can improve your website and bring in more customers for free. So now here we are on your website, and as you can see, you do have a nice looking website, gorgeous pictures. Unfortunately, though, Google doesn't rank you based on appearance. They use robots called crawlers that search the internet and crawl your pages looking for keywords. And your website does not have enough content. The rule of thumb is your home page should have a minimum of 1,500 words, which is 150 words for every keyword that you're trying to target. And you need to have more keywords than your competitors. I'm sorry, more content than your competitors. And you need to be focused on buyer intent keywords. And those are the keywords that customers are actually using when they are looking for your services. They may not know the name of the company, but they do know the service they're looking for. So you need to utilize the relative buyer intent keywords and boost your content on every single page. If we take a look at your top competitor, we have Dream Pools of South Florida. And they also have a nice looking site, but they do have more content than you. So they don't have a lot more content, but they do have more. So you're going to need to make sure that you have way more content than your top competitors. Focus on those buyer intent keywords so that you can start outranking your competitors and be number one across Google for all of your relative keywords. The next thing I wanted to talk to you about today is this is a program called Ahrefs, and this is what we use to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see, your domain has a rating of a 4 by Google. That means that Google has a really low trust value in your website. And that has everything to do with your backlinks. You have 906 backlinks, and they're not good. They're not good backlinks. And I'll talk about that in just a second. You have 175 keywords, and you're only getting 65 people to your website organically every month. Now, if we look at your competitor, their domain rating is only a 12, so this is very beatable. And they're higher than you with only 345 backlinks. They have 547 keywords, and with less backlinks and more keywords, they're getting almost 2,000. They got 1.7 thousand people visiting their website each and every month organically, out of over 10,000 searches in your area every month. So now, if we look at your backlinks, let me explain what a backlink actually is. A backlink is when one website links to your website and draws traffic to your website. But not all backlinks are created equal. You need to have authoritative backlinks. Those are backlinks that are high ranking in Google's eyes and that are relative to your industry. Relative to your services. You also want to have backlinks that are do follows. No follows don't help. They don't give you much power. Do follows, however, will share their power and help boost you in rankings. What I've noticed on your website, however, a lot of these are spammy links and no follows, and are actually hurting you. You really need to clean this out. You need to clean up those negative backlinks that are causing you problems and go after the authoritative backlinks. And when you do that, you can beat your top competitor. And the next thing I wanted to show you is when somebody puts in a search in Google, one of the first things that pop up is going to be ads, but the second thing that'll come up is the Google Map Pack or the GMB Google My Business. And your goal should be to be in the top 3. And the reason for that is 30 to 40% of your customers don't go any further. This is where they stop. They don't scroll down the page. They don't go to other pages. This is it. So if you're not in the top 3, you're leaving money on the table. And in order to get in the top 3, you have to optimize your website, because there's a lot to do with this, but also is citations, which is the name of your company, the address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of different places. And you need to have more of those citations than your competitors. Now, if you follow these tips I've given you today, you can become number 1 across Google for all of your relative keywords. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided you and do it yourself, and that's okay because this is free education. I would just ask that you please give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. If you do decide you would like help getting this stuff done and you just don't want to have to worry about it and want to focus on your business and let someone else handle it, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.